Hi dear children, welcome to grade 5 GK. I hope you all are fine and safe, okay? So in today's session we will going to see the topic the mother nature, okay?
It is estimated that 80 Mother Nature. It is estimated that 87 lakh species, types of life forms, be it plants or animals, live on Earth. All the life forms, one way or another, depend on the landforms, atmosphere, and on other life forms to live. We call this collection of life forms, landforms, and atmosphere as nature. The plants, animals, and water found in the nature are a vital part of our daily lives, even if we don't interact with most of them directly. As one of the many life forms on Earth, we also depend on the nature to survive and reap benefits from it. Let us take a look at some interesting things about the nature around us. All the living things on Earth require water to survive. In fact, water is the major reason for the existence of life on Earth. Water is one of the most important things that we need in our daily life. Up to 60% of human body is made up of water. We should drink water regularly to keep ourselves hydrated. We use water for cooking, cleaning, growing plants, and raising animals. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Oceans contain 96.54% of all the water on Earth. 7 to 10 lakh species can live only in water. Oceans provide us with a wide variety of foods and minerals. Rivers, which are a major source of fresh drinkable water, bring along many minerals with them and deposit them on the adjacent lands, thus making them fertile for growth of plants and for agriculture. Plants and trees play an important role in the survival of life and also in maintaining the ecological balance. Plants absorb carbon dioxide in the air, which is harmful for us, and release oxygen needed by all the other living things on Earth. Us humans, along with other animals, birds, insects, and fish, consume fruits, vegetables, grains, flowers, leaves, stems, and roots sourced from plants as food. Plants provide shelter for many animals, plants, and insects. Plants provide us with shade and help reduce the temperatures of a region. Places with a lot of plants experience lower temperatures when compared to other places. Plants hold the soil together and prevent the winds from carrying much sand into the air, displacing it and causing soil erosion. Spices like cloves, cinnamon, pepper, nutmeg, turmeric, ginger, fennel, mustard, etc. and herbs like coriander, mint, curry leaves, rosemary, oregano, sage, basil, etc. add flavor to our foods and make them tastier. Certain spices and herbs are also used as medicine to cure our illnesses. Turmeric, with its antiseptic properties, helps us fight diseases and infections. Ginger is very effective against common cold, headache, nausea, stomach upset, and body pains. Cumin can be very effective to solve digestive problems. Cinnamon is very helpful in controlling diabetes as it helps to digest the sugar. Garlic has antiviral and antibacterial properties and helps in improving the body's immunity system. Tulsi is very effective against indigestion, headaches, sleeplessness, and helps keep bacteria and insects away. Aloe vera is widely used to treat wounds, cuts, and burns as the sap extracted from its leaves speed up the process of healing. Peppermint inhibits the growth of bacteria. It is effective against upset stomachs and can also be used to treat fevers. Sugar, which adds so much sweetness to our food, is produced from a plant called sugarcane. We all love to drink some coconut water during a hot summer day. It is a very healthy drink as it provides many benefits to our body due to its antioxidant properties. Many useful resources like wood, rubber, cooking oil, etc. are collected from plants and trees. Wood is used to make furniture, machines, paper, etc. Plants provide us with a lot of delicious fruits like mangoes, apples, guavas, grapes, watermelons, cherries, strawberries, oranges, pomegranates, etc. Many flowers like jasmines, lilies, lavenders, lotuses, orchids, marigolds, daisies, roses, chrysanthemums, etc. make our world beautiful and fragrant. Bees work very hard to collect nectar from flowers, which in turn produces the sweet and delicious honey. Earthworms dig in the soil and make room for more air and water to get into the soil, making it easier for the plants to grow. Insects like ladybugs, praying mantises, dragonflies, spiders, and ground beetles feed on flies, mosquitoes, and other pests that cause harm to humans, plants, and other animals. Butterflies, bees, bumblebees, etc. help with pollination by transferring and distributing the seeds collected from the flowers to other places. Animals like cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats, camels, etc. provide us with milk which can be consumed or used to make other dairy products like curd, butter, cheese, etc. Sheep, goats, and some other animals provide us with wool, which is used to make a wide variety of clothes. Domesticated animals like cows, horses, and donkeys are used to carry heavy loads and also help in certain activities such as cultivation. Domesticated birds like chickens and ducks are raised for their eggs and meat. Few animals such as goats, sheep, etc. are raised for their meat.
So children, in this session, you have learned about some of the interesting thing about the nature, Mother Nature. Also, what are the benefits we get from nature? Yes, yes, children? Yes. So now, note down your today's homework. Complete the workbook exercise page number 32, 33, 34 and 35 in your GK workbook and send it to Google Classroom. And this is your homework. Okay, children? Clear? Okay, so complete the page number 32, 33, 34, 35 in your GK workbook and send it to Google Classroom. And this is your homework today. Okay, children? So all of you stay home, stay safe. We will meet in your next session. Bye. Thank you.